In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can download Python 3.7.4 on Windows operating system. So in order to download, we just need to go to this URL python.org/downloads and here click on the download Python. If you want to download it for Mac or Linux, you can just click on the respective link to download it. So let's click over here now. And you can see the executable file is now being downloaded. Once downloaded, you just need to click on this one and it will start installing the executable. Here, don't forget to add Python 3.7 to path. So select that as well and then select install now. Click on yes. And you can see it says setup was successful. Just click on close now. And that's pretty much it as far as installing Python is considered on Windows operating system. Now here, if you go to advanced system settings, click on environment variables. Here you will find the path variable and you can see that the Python is now part of the path environment variable setting. Now in the next lecture, we'll see how we can write Python scripts using Visual Studio Code Editor.